We're continuing with Math 125 Gateway questions, this time question number 87 out of the pool 81 to 90. This one taking derivative of h of y, which is sine of y squared, the entire thing times sine squared of y. Two things to notice. As I said, this entire thing times another thing. There are two factors and they're connected with a product. Therefore, I will use a product rule. But before doing that, I want to emphasize this seems sine squared. I kind of want to figure out later on what kind of function that is, and it's a composition of two. So I clearly write out the inside and outside again. I'm rewriting this function as sine of y squared times sine of y to power 2. First factor, second factor, let's do a product rule. So derivative with respect to y of h of y is going to be equal to derivative of the first factor times the second factor unchanged plus the first factor times the derivative of the second factor. Now, I will take the derivative of each factor so I can replace it in the next step. Derivative of sine y squared. This is a chain rule. The outside function is sine. The inside function is y squared. Derivative of sine is cosine. So derivative of sine is cosine with inside unchanged times the derivative of inside. Next step is replacing the derivative of the second factor. Again, another chain rule. The outside function is to power 2. The inside function is sine of y. A power rule, a generalized power rule. 2 to power 1 less. Two minus 1 is 1. Inside unchanged. Times the derivative of inside, which is derivative of sine is cosine y. Now that I have all the derivatives, I can replace the derivatives in each factor. Let's rewrite this entire thing as cosine of y squared times 2y times sine of y to power 2 plus, product rule, there should be a plus, sine of y squared times 2 times sine of y times cosine y. This is the final answer and no need to simplify.